What's going on today, guys? When I was practicing parkour, I learned a few flips, so that's what I'm going to be doing for you today. Hold on, my dad just texted me. Alright. He said my friend's here, but I mean, he can be a dick sometimes, so we'll see what he does this time. No, dude, stop. Dude, seriously. Don't shoot me. Ow. Fuck. You're such a dick, dude. Ah. 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 Ah.
Did you actually hurt that bad?
Ah.
Does that actually hurt? Oh my god.
Alright, dude, be honest. Is it a little red?
No.
No? I thought it would have like a little mark, maybe. No? Nothing?
Not really.
Alright, dope.
All the blazed eyes, empty hearts, buying happy from shopping carts. Nothing but time to kill, sipping life from bottles. Tight skin bodyguards.